In this module, I want to show you how you can quickly change case in Word. So on the screen, I've got a document where everything is in lowercase. What I want to do is put some capitals, I want to put some sentence cases, and I want to make sure that I have a full stop followed by a capital letter. So for example, in this first paragraph, there's no capital at the beginning, there's a full stop after the word area, and then there's no capital letter. So that's what I want to do. So first of all, the titles, I want these to be in capitals. So I'm just going to come down the margin and highlight the two of them. Now what I need to go for this is these two little A's up here where it says change case to one of these, sentence case, lower, upper. Well, upper is what I want first of all. And I also want those to be bold, Control B I'm doing, and underlined, Control U. That's the title. Now this line of beers, I'm going to point to it in the selection area. This is the selection area. Clicking once, it will highlight that. I want these to be italic, so that's going to be Control I, but I also want them to be in capitals. So go for uppercase, like so. Now the paragraph itself, I need to double click in the margin, which will highlight the paragraph. I want this to be sentence case. So up again, changing that to sentence case, the top one. Now I have to check the text because it's changed Sunday to a lowercase letter. So I just need to correct that by right clicking and sorting that out. So that's that one done. Coming down to do the next one. So I'm highlighting the two. I'm going up to the two little A's, uppercase, Control B for bold, Control U for underline. Highlighting the beers, Control I for italic, and then up to the top to put it into uppercase. And then just one more sentence before I show you the key commands. Double click. This wants to be sentence case. Then I have to check. So Newcastle's, I need to change that to capital. That's the only one on there, I think. Quayside might also be a capital because it's an area. I'll leave it as it is. Now, there is a key command to do this. So if I just do it on this one, the key command to change case is the Shift key and F3. So I'm holding the Shift key down, press F3 once. It does like sentence case. Twice it does uppercase. 3 times it goes back to lowercase. So I want it uppercase. Now I'm doing Control B and U. I'm highlighting the beers, doing Shift F3 to get that into capitals, and then Control I to get it into italic. Double clicking in the margin, doing Shift F3 to get it into sentence case. Then I need to correct some of these. Scotswood, Sunday. So depending on what version of Word you've got, is whether you just click it like I just did there or right click it. And Newcastle, click. Okay, so that's fixed that. Just do one more, the last one. Highlight, Shift F3, capitals, Control B, bold, Control U, underline. One click to highlight the beers, Shift F3 to put it into capitals, and italic, Control I, and then double click in the paragraph, Shift F3, sentence case, Granger Market needs a capital letter, everything else looks okay, and that's how you do it. So hopefully that little video was of use. Thank you for your time. I'll catch you on the next one.